What's up, fellas? I can't see chat right now. How do I open up my chat? Nice short, appreciate it. Explain the trade. Give me 1 second, guys. Once I get the stream all set up, I'll explain it. Just give me 1 second to get this going. Are we allowed to group trade on Apex? Yes, you are. Up to 20 accounts, by the way, which is Apex. If you want to scale your trading, like Apex is the only firm to do it with. Your trading like Apex. Can we copy your trades with Apex? What do you mean copy? What the fuck do you want, dumbass? Who the hell was that, dude? It's my friends being retarded. You're being L retards. Room service, imagine. We're at an Airbnb, so not room service. That'd be lit though if we had some. Why not at the party? What party? Is it allowed that if we take the same trade on Apex? Yeah. How the fuck do you flip 30, 300 to 3140? I mean, I streamed it and I called out most of my trades. But it's just a lot of, in the beginning, I was only trading 2 to 4 micros, and then I started going 2 minis once I got to 1,000. How do you get such sniper entries? You gotta keep watching the stream, bro. You gotta keep watching. Tune in every day, and you guys will slowly start to learn how we catch entries like this. I'll actually do one of these for you guys so you guys know it's actually there. These are from 257. I bought, got stopped. Bought here, sold here. I'll do this so you guys can actually see. Yeah, I bought and sold here. This was a pretty bad trade, but this, decent trade. Do you trade New York with this live account? Yes, I do. What is that thing called with the 3 colors? The Gone box. Guys, welcome to the stream. Haven't streamed in a day. I feel like out of it. Almost. Yo, Spiffy, I'm live.
Yo, Shinobi, when
What's
can
up?
we talk about
Obviously not right now. I'm doing a new thing today where I'm not checking how many viewers I have, because every time I do that and the viewers drop, I get mad. I get like sad.
Oh, I thought you're. Never mind.
Oh,
So wait, so no more new segments, just trading?
news segments? What do you mean?
No, I said no more new segments on the stream. Just straight trading from now on.
Not until I get back to my house. Then we can start doing new segments. But for right now, I'm just doing my thing.
You gotta start streaming earlier because we taking trades before you get it on.
Yeah.
We be off camera mining.
No, that's what I'm saying. They're like, how did you turn the 300 to 3.5? And I'm like, I did some off-camera mining.
All the good trades were on stream though.
Yeah.
I was eating.
Wait, Spiffy, we played this guy before. This
So I turned $300 into 3,100, 35 if I close this top tick. And everyone keeps asking me, how do you bottom tick? How do you top tick? Blah, blah, blah. I literally stream. No, I wasn't going to do that. I literally stream Asia every night at 9 p.m. So you guys can literally watch me trade, take these trades, hold them, and see how I was able to do it. It's all on YouTube for free. So Shinobi Signals on YouTube. You guys could go there. Not going to put a song in this one because I have too many people watching me, and that's kind of embarrassing even making this video right now. So, yeah.
Well,
I just dropped 100 shots. I'm trying to make the news. Wait, can I sing it? Can I sing it at the end?
Nah, I have you in my headphones.
Oh.
Oh, wait. My bad.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, I'm back.
Too late to get into this? I think so, but also I'm targeting that 4-hour BPR.
That's nice.
Yep. Easy.
Spiffy, are you guys still... Did you guys re-enter shorts?
I tried it and then I got stopped, but
What were you guys looking for?
just a new low under the previous day low.
Let's go to this previous day L. Yeah, I'm going to turn off my executions on these higher time frames. Previous day low. I mean, we got under it.
Yeah, I tried it a while ago.
Low key.
Bro.
I just want to see that 4-hour BPR. I think this continues
Yeah,
lower.
I think you get it. You'll get it. You'll get it.
There's so many like unswept liquidity spots.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
So many lows we need to get to. I just hope it doesn't bounce like crazy. What was your thought process, Shinobi? Alright, I'll show you guys right now. So over here, when I took this trade, you guys can see we gapped down, filled that gap to the upside, went to this 5-minute BPR and rejected. Then if we go on to here, you guys see this order block that was broken through with a fair value gap. Broke through, continued in, it went in, started to reject. That's when I took my short, and we continued lower. Because the draw was this low, which was the previous day low, which we swept. So it's kind of stupid for me holding this trade right now. Like I should sell and secure profits, but I think we might mess around here for a little bit, but then eventually come back down. And that's what I'm looking for. But it was mainly a unicorn setup. And, yeah. Discord is so worth it. I appreciate it. You just letting it run? Yeah, for the most part. I want to see if we could catch a big trade. I think this could be like an all day, like we could sell off overnight all the way into the morning. So that's what I'm basically looking for. I'm doing well, Sunga. How are you? Yeah, and shout out to everyone that joined the Discord on that 350 lifetime. Shout out to you guys. So you guys are locked in. Do you do signals in the Discord? Yeah, I signal almost every trade I take. Is there only 20 spots for the Discord? I mean, there were, and then I let it run. Honestly, I don't even know why I still have the link in my description. I should have taken it out, but I deleted the message everywhere else. How are you already in a trade? I took this trade at, like, bro, 2 hours ago, and I've been holding. But yeah, I'm just waiting out this trade at this point. I think we continue lower, but who knows, guys? Who knows? This could be, what we're doing is very smart, but it could be very dangerous as well. Join the Discord this weekend, fire. How much is it without the flash sale? It's 100 a month. I don't really want to talk about the Discord, guys. Let's talk about trading. Let's get some value going. I want to make sure you guys get better from the streams. Shinobi, what's a BPR? It's a balanced price range, right? It's basically when a fair value gap is invalidated with a fair value gap. Like over here, you see we had a fair value gap, and then we invalidated it and created another fair value gap. So that's a BPR. But why did you enter the trade? It was a 5-minute unicorn setup here. We traded into it, started to reject. I took my entry right at the unicorn setup. Why don't you long now? I'm not interested in longs. I have a bit of a bias today. I think we go for this, like, just because of how hard we rejected these highs. I think we were just building liquidity. I think we're going to go for this 4-hour balanced price range that we failed to go multiple times throughout last week. I think this week we're going to be bearish and go for it. And I'm only up $300 because the margin requirements are insane because of, like, all the Trump stuff. So, yeah. You think it's worth trying to pass Apex evals tomorrow for PPI? Yeah, dude. I mean, if Apex is the only broker that knows that people exploit them passing and they let them pass anyways with 20 accounts at a time. Hi, bro. I'm new in trade. Just made my first $200 deposit, but I'm afraid of trading. Instead of depositing $200, bro, just get the 80% off on Apex and trade prop firms. With $200, you'll be able to get what? 6 different accounts? 650Ks? Trade those. And then once you get a payout from Apex, then you put that into a live account rather than starting with a live. How long do you see the stock market staying here? Do you see stock market being here forever? Yeah. I mean, it's been around forever. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Signed up today. Shout out to you, Brenda. Is it because you lack the idea? I think it's just because you're too attached to the money at the moment. Does Apex have a consistency rule? Yeah, it does when you pass the account. I think it's like 30%. I'm not sure completely. So you're expecting this to keep dropping pretty deep? Yeah, for the most part. I'm expecting us to continue lower, guys, just because of like all the stuff that's going on with LA, and every single time Trump opens his mouth, it's just dumping. And there's not much good news coming out, especially how we just didn't want to deal with China tariffs and all that sort of stuff. So I expect us to keep going lower. And the technicals say that as well. And we have so much untapped liquidity below us that we need to get before we continue higher. Do you use order flow tools to help with entries? Of course. So I use Sierra charts and I use delta footprints, which basically help me see absorptions happening in real time. So this week you would see buyers getting absorbed at these highs here, which gave me the confidence to go ahead and actually take this short. And then for those of you guys wondering if I alert these trades to the Discord, I alert them exactly when I'm take them. So I'm short MNQ at 864. Stop, move, break even. We're up. Blah, blah. There we go. And then you can see in the trading chat, this guy made 2K on his Express accounts. That's just me. I love taking these boys' alerts. Timothy. Shuno's alert was beautiful. This guy took it. This guy took it. So, yeah. Key took a buy. Well, I mean, I don't know why the fuck you guys love coming in here and tell me about someone else's trades. So, don't do that. We're going to remove that message. Like, that message, you guys got to understand, like, he's my friend. I know he's a good trader. But when you guys watch his stream and then you come to my stream and tell me, like, he's taking a different trade, it messes with my head a little bit, too. Because it's like, what's he seeing that I'm not seeing? He sold these shorts, I'm pretty sure, or he's just trying to play that daily low sweep. But I have my plan, he has his plan, right? Worst case scenario, I get stop break even. And if he's long, he's probably targeting some PD array over here to go short at, right? So don't go into his stream and then tell him that I'm short, because that's going to mess with his head. And don't come in here and tell me if he's short or long, because that's going to mess with my head. The other day, when the last stream we did, Monday, I was short and he was long. His take profit was my stop loss, and my take profit was his stop loss. And obviously, trade went in my favor, and we were messing around. But then the entire market dropped. Like, guys, I had shorts all the way up here, or whatever the day was. Like, it was Monday. But I had shorts literally at the top on Monday. And then we dumped down. Or was it? What was it? What day was it? I think it was Monday. But I had shorts and then we dumped down. And I closed it early because everyone's like, oh, Key's long. And then I'm like, oh, shit, he's long. I'm probably not seeing something. But you guys get the message, you know? It doesn't make a lot of sense. Like, two people can be in two opposite sides of a trade and still make money. That's just how the market works. Is Discord closed forever? So can we enter again? No, you can enter again. It just won't be for lifetime. It'll be just, monthly. We only did the lifetime just because a lot of people wanted the we only did the lifetime because a lot of people wanted the how do I say it? They want to do a 300 challenge. You're only targeting next hourly wick? Fire. I think that's all the way down here. I'll see. If we start to invalidate PDAs to the upside, I'm going to get out. Nice dump down. Yeah, invalidation of PD arrays is literally the best way to tell if the trade's going against you. Like, we just had a 5-minute change in state below that previous day low. So longs are completely off the table for me if I was someone. key flow. What's your futures broker again? I trade with AMP Live. Also, time to show what makes your strategy or Discord better in terms of values compared to others. I don't know, bro. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and chill. I mean, you guys see me trade every single day or every single night, so that's for you to decide. For those of you guys in the Discord right now, if you guys want, you guys can kind of share your experience on what you think of the Discord, the education, and everything inside of there. Can I still enter a short now? I think it's too late. How long AMP takes to validate your info? It should take like a day or 2 business days. 2 to 3 business days. Is AMP Futures better than Tradeaway for live accounts? I think so. Just because they integrate with Sierra charts. They integrate with more brokers. And they also have $300 margin. Call it 814 top tick. Nice. You caught this? Fire. What are you trading? I'm trading M&Q. Except I like that you trade Asia. I mean, I trade Asia for free, so you might as well join one of those and just join the... just join the Asia lives for free, and then join those Discords, trade New York if you want. I'll just do that if you're thinking about mine and other people's. If you like the fact that I trade Asia, the Asia lives are free, bro. What did you enter off of? 5-minute unicorn setup. Your signals were before the stream? That is true. That's only sometimes. How often do you lose? I lose pretty often. I won't have like losing weeks or months. Losing months are very rare, like super rare. Losing weeks, they're rare. Losing days, like once, twice, max once a week. And then but guys, most of the time you guys have to like I'll be completely honest with you guys in the Discord for today. If I go on here, you'll see 2048 can be a decent short. I got edged, right? Like look at this. My sell limits here, this was like literally rejected hard as fuck. And then look at this. I got edged last night. And then today I said I like 826. And then it rejected off 826 and not 809 and bounced. So I mean sometimes I'll get edged, guys, like pretty often, but that's just the game I play. Do you keep track of your overall win percentage? No. That's a vanity metric. Win percentage doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things, right? What matters is your average risk to reward. So your risk to reward, my risk to reward on this trade, guys, was 10 points stop every single trade, right? So let's look at my risk to reward. I had a 10-point stop. We're currently up 9.5R. I could lose 9 trades in a row, and this just made up for all those losses. If I had 9 trades in a fucking row, which is, let's be honest, pretty hard to do. Do you teach more about using order flow in your Discord? Yeah. Enough about the Discord, guys. If you want to join, join. You guys can join the lifetime. I'm going to take that off tonight. I'm not going to keep talking about the Discord. I want to talk about trading. I want to talk about just building this community on YouTube. That's what I want to focus on. You on fire with that account? Appreciate it, Manoli. Manoli Lingus. Oh, Linus. I always say Lingus. I don't know why. Because you know, like Air Lingus, the Linas. Lin-ass. How about you talk about giving me my 150 back? What 150? The fact that you just came in here talking like that, bro, honestly, bro, take that shit to court, bro. Let's fight about it. Come in here talking all hot, talking about 150. Why did I take your 150, bro? What do I even charge 150 for? Check my message up. Let's see. Hey, I don't know why you banned me for doing nothing. Then I pay one and never let me in. You got banned? What was your email? Type your email in the chat. I'll have Wob look at it. Wob, are you in the stream? Paid 150. We never charged 150. Alright, Wob. Check with us on Mole Dude, bro. See what he's fucking on about. It's probably this dumbass left the Discord on his own or didn't forget to cancel or did some stupid shit and then gets banned and doesn't, like, what the fuck? 150. What do we charge 150 for? $150. Yeah, put your email in the chat and then Wob will look at it. And then get it figured out. That's about 8 months ago. 8 months ago. Still, Wob will check it out and we'll see what happened. And then if something's fucked up, we'll send you 150. Never got a chance to contact you guys. My email's in every single receipt. So if you got charged, then in the email there's a support email. So that's either just you not wanting to do it, or you just wanted to be like you just wanted to say it so bad, like, oh my gosh, Shinobi took 150 from me, bro. Promise you, I don't care. But yeah, Wob will check it out and reach out to you via email or your Discord. So put your email in the chat. I'll send you the email. Don't send me the email. Send it to fucking Wob. We send the email in the chat. Wob is in here. He's gonna fucking figure that shit out for you. Yo, what's good, Nate? Nate, are you still in these shorts with me? I'll send you the email, right? Yo. No, you cut it? Why? Secured a payout? Fire. How much was the payout? How much was the payout, Nate Dogg? 2.4K? Nice, nice, nice. I've been tuning because they pissed me off by laughing at you. Bro, stop banning people without asking me, you fucking dumbass. Because then I have situations like this. Wait, what are they... Wait, was it in the free chat or paid chat? Any brokers offer margins for options, not equity? Dude, you don't want margin for options, trust. Oh, free chat? Yeah, fuck them. Your traveling trading setup? I'll make a TikTok on it, but it's just my gaming laptop, and then there's this monitor that was already at the Airbnb. I have my mic, keyboard, mouse pad, light, webcam, and then I have my MacBook. And that's it. Do you vlog? I should, bro. I live a pretty cool life. But you guys know, like, when you do something, like, it's just normal. Like, this trip right now in the Hamptons, it just feels regular. Like, it feels normal as fuck. So, to me, it doesn't feel anything interesting. Like, we didn't do shit. Hold on, guys. They're fucking with the internet. Hold on. Yeah, you guys fuck with these? These little Arizona green teas. Where's the trip? We're in the Hamptons. I only do options. Do you know any brokers that offer margins for options? No. I personally don't. If I did, I would tell you. But I don't. Unfortunately. They bomb? What's bomb? Used to it's sugar. It's too sugary? It's only 80 calories. I like the cans, bro. I love this design. Such a banger design, you know? I love like these like colorful designs. Like people don't do shit like that. What are you trading right now? I'm trading M&Q. I'm in this trade right now. Guys, look at this flashlight I have. Look at how dark the room is without this light, right? And then look at how bright it turns. Oh shit. I don't even know it can do that. Bro, it's like I have the lights on in the room. Look. It literally lights up the entire room like it's lit up. Like it lights it up so much better. And that has like a black light. You can like see shit. Let's see, is this room dirty? Pretty clean for the most part. Pretty clean. Where was I? Where's my chat? Let's go, Shadobs, go. Yo, what's good, J-Don? What is good? Could longs be good right now? Let's check it out. Personally, Persh. You guys are asking about me, Persh. Hold on, I drew this wrong. If you're asking about me, Persh, right now, I would say, no. I would say no. I think the fact that it didn't bounce off the CE or the OT, I think we're going to go for the slow. But that's just me, Persh. Persh is short for personally, chat. Shining out a plane? Do Do you use any indicators or tape? Yeah, I use order flow. But indicators, I just use this 4-hour candle. I don't really consider it like any indicator that's gonna make sense, for, like buy and sell, or like when it does this, do this. It's more so just for me. Look at how cool this shit looks. Whee! Do you think it's gonna go lower? I do. Do you think it's gonna go lower? Do you not have a? Do you just not have a take profit and stop loss? My stop loss is break even. You just can't see. Well, my take profit is gonna be discretionary depending on how we react off these lows and if we go for that 4-hour BPR. What's good, Nihal? Welcome back. Yeah, it's because it's right. It's right at break even, so you can't really see it. 729 bounce. Why do you guys want to bounce so bad? Why do you guys, like, just because you missed the short, you want to log? Like, come on, let's chill the fuck out. Let's chill, dude. Let's chill. Let's get that 4-hour BPR at 660. That'll be 200 points for the kid. Why don't you have a stop loss? Joel, I'm going to beat your ass, bro. I'm going to beat your... Thought you were restarting the 10K challenge? I am next week. I want to give people a chance to join the Discord so they can trade New York. I want to give people a fair shot. I don't want to restart in the middle of the week, you know? That just makes, like, no sense. But I'm going to restart it. Hopefully, imagine I take this to 10K, like, before I even restart it, so I actually have to restart for a good reason. I'm using TradeAway with Dream, but when I enter Marketer, I don't get the TP and stop loss drag option, because that's only with AMP. You don't get that with TradeAway. You get it with AMP. How did you do today in the New York session? Bro, I tried trading, kept getting edged, then I just took a nap. Like, this is my first, like, real official trade of the day. Bro, how many challenges can I do at once? How many challenges can I do at once, bro? Update on your Apex PAs. I blew them. I blew my Apex PAs last week. I'll tell you exactly when. I'll tell you guys exactly when I blew those guys. So I'm going to have to redo those. I blew those trying to short this day. When we gapped up and left this, then this, I was shorting this entire thing and I got smoked. I got smoked so hard. And then last week over here, dude, I was getting smoked on this move up for like 2 days in a row. And then I just started to over leverage. Well, that's just me being honest with you guys, but it's not that big of a deal. I bought those accounts for $16. Alternatives for Sierra charts, but Mac ATAS. Where's the 4-hour BPR? It's all the way down here at 660. I heard good things about Motive Wave too. 782.75. Holy fuck, you bought the top. Motive Wave fire. Same entry as you. Fire, Jesse. Jesse, are you on the Discord? Is that how you caught it, or you caught it on your Dolo? New 4-hour candle in 10 minutes. Thoughts on Top Step? Fuck Top Step. You trade gold? I don't. I don't trade gold that much. I know some people who do, and I know some people who really like it, but I personally just stick to NQ. Even though NQ doesn't move as good as gold overnight, sometimes it's just like, it's just what I'm comfortable with. You know what I'm saying? So, that's why I stick to it. Is Apex bad with payouts? Fuck no, bro. They paid out $500 million. How do you draw your standard deviations? I don't use standard deviations. Sure was so free, yeah. We're saying that now that we're up like, what, 100 points? Exactly. Was this your AMP account? Yeah. What, dude, Apex is the best prop firm, bro. But other than Apex, I don't know. I don't know. Best prop firm for affiliates? Probably Apex. What about Alpha? Alpha's good too. They're just expensive. But they're decent too. I'm happy I got the sponsorship with Apex because that's the firm I always use. What's the payout cap on Apex? I think 2,000 per account first time. But you could have 20 accounts. So that's what? 40,000? Best firm is MFFU, bro. You say that bullshit again, bro, I'm gonna murder. No, my god, in the game, in GTA. We're not talking good about Matt Leach, bro. Did you not see they got hit off this week by fucking 12-year-old fucking hackers? I hate MFFU, bro. I hate them so much. And they're such a shit firm. Such a shit firm, dude. Oh, but the expert accounts. Shit firm, bro. Shitty firm. There was a time when I liked them. But, bro, if you guys have ever... I've talked to the CEO. I've talked to some of the team members, bro. Apex is so expensive, though. Bro, use code OBI. And then you get it for $30. I never use TPTs. But I just stay away from newer firms. 167, don't pay that. Use code OBI and then you get for 30. Do you think they'll go back to being a secure firm? Eventually, yes. But the thing I don't like about Top Step or MFFU right now, they're not taking responsibility for any of the bullshit that they did. Like, they're not taking responsibility. Why did my comments disappear? Probably because more people commented, if I had to guess. What do we get for 30? You get a 50k account. Are these shorts cooked? No. I don't think so. I mean, for them to be cooked, it has to move up another 100 points. That's what I said, Matt. Once new firms come out and exploit them, and then just fucking put that shit in a live account. Futures Desk? Bro, you're naming the weirdest firms. I've never heard of Funding Futures or Futures Desk. But that's literally the way, guys. It's just when prop firms have an exploit or they have like one rule where you can just make a bunch of money off of, exploit that shit, bro. Apex has the 20 accounts. Bro, if you're a good trader and you can get payouts, bro, take that shit, fucking rinse that shit, bro. Apex has $500 million in payouts. Bro, you can make so much money with it. No connection. All right, the stream should be back right now. But do you guys want to know what actually happened with MFFU and Top Step? I know the real story. The breach, yeah. With double side, exactly, bro. You would have passed the account and then some. Bro, so basically, guys, a group of hackers, they notice they're like, oh, these platforms are making a bunch of money. They have bugs in their website. We can reach out to them. We could be like, hey, we know of some bugs in your website. We will tell you what they are so you can fix them. Just pay us a certain amount of money. Matt Leach's fat ass is like, no, dude, I'm Matthew Leach. I'm a fucking retard. And then he's like they didn't pay the money, right? They didn't pay the money to these white hat hackers who were just trying to tell them what their breaches were. They didn't listen. Top Step didn't listen. Right? Then these hackers go. They're like, oh, you don't want to fucking, like, you guys want to be dicks about it? Bro, they funded Next too. Bro, they just breached all these firms because of all these, like, dude, like, it was so easy to hack them probably, bro. Because, they got customer information. Like, these firms never thought they were going to get hit by hackers. Bro, they get hit by these hackers, steal customer information, credit cards, social security numbers, bank info, all that sort of shit. And then, yeah, these fucking hackers are like, yo, you should have paid us the first time. Now we're going to fuck you guys up. Then Matt Leach was like, oh, we have a strong team, blah, blah. He tried fixing that shit. Bro, they leaked it again and gave people admin access in their Telegram. Like, everyone in that Telegram has admin access to My Funded Futures. You better watch ICT Enigma, but bot is about to run your stop. Whatever, bro. How much is 100K with code OBI? I don't know. Check it out. Put code OBI and see how much it is. But it's 80% off with code OBI. So whatever it costs, subtract 80%. Crazy deal. Get me in that Telegram. Joel, I'm not even in the Telegram, bro. I'm not even in the Telegram because I don't want to be associated with it. But it's telegram.me/prop firms are a scam. You still have to pay the activation fee? Yeah. But the activation fee... Hold on. You do have to pay the activation fee, but the activation fee is like... I think, what is it? $85 if you use my code. Should we goon to last year's PA? Bro, yes, dude. Bring back last year's PA. Yo, Joel, I appreciate it, bro. Gains on 300 count. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. I want to get this to 10K, bro. I wish I could take more size, but I couldn't. Show us your account statistics. I will. I gotta throw it in TradeZella. What broker do you use for your 300 account? AMP Futures. Does your code lower activation fee? It depends on the sale they're doing. I'll ask, but I think it makes it from 150 to 85. That's a nice ass entry. Appreciate it. Is that Soothslayer? Soothslayer, is that you, bro? Alright, 5-minute change in state higher. First time we've seen that all day. Low-key should stop out here, but I'm going to wait for this new 4-hour candle. What's good, Sooth? How you been, bro? 10 seconds till his 4-hour closes. Let's see how his new 4-hour opens up. New 4-hour opened. Failed to go for this low. I think we just continue lower here. Maybe put in an upper wick and then continue. Went long at 773. Dude, what is, like, is that something to flex about? You middle ticked? Did you middle tick this shit, bro? Living in another country? Yeah. 200 watching, but only 20 likes. Yo, guys, like up the stream. I'm not even looking at how many people we have in the streams anymore, because honestly, it kind of fucks up my mood when we're not at, like, a high amount of people watching. I don't know why. How'd you go about an Apex account? I think if you guys have payouts, build up the accounts. But if you're new and you haven't gotten a payout yet, take that first payout just to show yourself it's possible. Then go for building accounts. What's up, okay? Do the Apex accounts auto copy trade? No, you have to set up a group on Tradeovate. It's very easy. Just click on where it shows the account and then click to, yeah. What would I build it to, bro? I would go for a world record. Like me personally, I want to get a 6-figure payout on a 50K account just to say I did it. But for a regular person, bro, get to like a 50K payout. Since it retraced, do you think now would be a good time to jump in shorts? I don't know. Let me check it out. Let's see. You can short at 801.5. Like, you could try shorting this order block here. And the 250 count payouts are still larger. You just keep building until you can request a payout. Yeah. I seen the wedge and fair value gap it was in. I took it because of the 5-minute breaker or order or unicorn setup. I should write that out. What's a 50K record? I don't know, but I know it's not 6 figures. No one's done a 6-figure payout on one single 50K. Short on ES for 2.2K. Let's go, bro. What's your stop loss? My stop loss is break even. 5-minute order block will cook shorts. I don't know. I'm playing a larger time frame move down, so it's a much more difficult read than if it was just like a day trade, you know? I wanted to take this with one mini, but it doesn't. It doesn't let me. Because the margin required for one mini is 8K today. You willing to give back all unrealized profit? Yeah. It's only $400, bro. This is very light size for what I normally do on this account. Please explain the unicorn setup. It's just a breaker block inside of a fair value gap. How you doing, boss? I'm doing good, Mr. Pip. How are you? Are you copy trading? No, I'm trading on the live account right now. Are you gonna take one more trade? I don't know. It really depends, bro. It really depends what the market does. With a consist rule, you can make more than 900. You can, but then your consistency is just fucked up. 400 is a huge percent of that account. I mean, the account's already at 3,100. $500 isn't gonna do much. It's gonna take us to 3,600. Ooh, 3,600. Yeah. Who cares? Is it because CPI? It's because like just the overall news, like Trump and all these like countries. After hours, they just increase the margin like crazy. Yeah, it depends. It depends on news and stuff like that. But usually it's only 300. But now that the market's been crazy, they changed it to like 8 bands. How many micros did you use? I used 3. Three MES. Yeah, right now, but it's usually never this high. What was your biggest win on 300 account? Like 1.7K? But it was just me taking stupid size. Is New York session still normal margin? Yes. You have a video explaining this trading strategy? Yes, I do. I think it's called like this one trading strategy made me 100K. Do you think we could go lower and tap on daily resistance? I do think we go lower. Mouse over your OT and current P&L. Hover it. Is this what you guys want to see? Do you just do futures now? No, I took Tesla calls last night into this morning. I sold it for 30% overnight. Can I stop hovering this shit or? Did they think I was faking this shit? How would it be coordinated? You fucking weird. How would it be coordinated with the actual position up here? Here you go, bro. Can I stop hovering it? Do you guys believe it now? Longs from 762. Gonna try to ping pong and sell out that order block. Let's see. Tesla tank today. I sold it right off open. Right off open, it was up $9 overnight. How did you crop your P&L to your screen? I just display captured it, and then I cropped it. What indicators do you have on there? Mainly the higher time frame candle. This is just called the the PO3 by 2 degrees. It's this one. People, you want to see your bank statements? I posted my tax statements before in my 1099s from Thinkorswim. Will you do a 5K to 50? Dude, honestly, after I restart this 300 and then I finish it, and I think I'm done with challenges, bro. I'm gonna just go back to trading how I normally did. I didn't know you could display capture it. Yeah, you could. Well, I used a 4-hour PO3. It's just the time frame I like to build my bias off of. Does this strategy work on Bitcoin? Yeah. My strategy works across all instruments. Shinobi, would you adopt me right now? Yeah, bro. Is ICT good? I think he's decent. I think his concepts are good, but I don't think he's good. I heard AMP is hard to get approved. Not sure It's not hard to get approved on. Did you learn about ICT secret model that predicts the Enigma bond that controls the market? Bro, no, bro. You gotta say some crazy stuff every day, man. Do you know Selling Rips? Yeah. Bro, that guy trades some serious size. Shout out him. Finna. I'm finna. He's finished if it doesn't hit. 5-minute fair value gap. It might retest this change in state. Hopefully it inverses it. Can you give me your TA on ETH and Sol? Nah. We're not going over crypto tonight. Because I don't want people making investments based off my technical analysis. Because I don't check those regularly. How do you like that new 4-hour? You think it manipulated already? I like that we put in the top wick already. I'd like to see that. Honest thoughts, is TJ really as good as he claims? I'm not going to speak on other traders, guys. I don't know. TJR is a good guy, bro. Ask me about anyone in the trading industry, bro. They're all good guys, bro. I stay out of drama. I don't care about other traders, bro. I'm here to make money. I'm here to trade. I'm here to teach you guys how to trade. I'm here to grow my YouTube. And that's it, bro. Just scaling size a ton, making huge amounts of bread, nothing. Nothing stops them. It's just their own mental barriers that they create for themselves. Psychology. End of the day, it's just guys looking at candles to make money. Yeah, bro, literally. At the end of the day, bro, like, it's not... At the end of the day, bro, it doesn't matter to me what anyone else is doing, bro. TJR is making money. He's taking care of his family, bro. I respect it. Do you use Gonbox to get discount price entries? Yeah. Bro, do not be talking about no inverse. Bro, we need to inverse this 5-minute gap. We need to inverse it, guys. From where can we expect a reversal? I think we could reject off of this order block. I think we could go up to here and reject. Where would be good entry? I would say around here. Like 801.5-ish. That's where I would look to reject short. Yeah, Trader Kane also does. You want to inverse it after you go to the order block? Can you show how to use Gonbox for a better entry? I made a TikTok on it. But right now we're in a trade, so I don't really want to draw it out and everything. I don't know if we got a 15-minute... Met trades by Matt? No, I never met him. A 15-minute inversion? That would be kind of sketch. But... That would be sketchy. Let's see if that happens, though. Is it better to use tick chart or time chart to see absorption? I use the 5-minute on time charts. You can use tick charts, but I prefer the time chart still. But tick chart, I would recommend 20 ticks. What's the RR on this? I mean, I'm up 9.5 R. Get Luke on? I think he's in the Discord. But we had a 10-point stop. So I mean, never mind. This was an 11-hour trade already. When I'm back on top in June, I say that's life, that's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. No, I'm gonna change that tune. When I'm back on top. Yo, Matt, I'm live.
We know.
Who's Maximo?
That's Marlon.
Oh, that's Marlon? Yo, Marlon,
Yeah.
what's good, bro? What is he doing in this Discord, Matt? Why did you invite him, bro? Let's be what are we doing here? Love Marlon, but he's not supposed to be in this Discord. Don't invite people.
Okay.
Don't ever do that stupid shit again.
Did we just fucking boot him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he insta-booted him. I told you he would.
I'd even let Will in here, bro. You're talking about Marlon?
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
It's a private Discord. Bro, this guy Matt be inviting his fucking editors into Discords.
That's not my editor, bro.
I know, but you did that in our Discord chat before.
Poor guy, bro.
Wait, can I change this? Can I change Matthew's profile?
We should give Matt the role, even though
We're gonna give him SPJ role.
no, he doesn't get any special roles, bro. He gets top tick role, only because he kind of top ticks too, which is crazy.
Where's the view verification code?
Wait, Spiffy, did you get off?
Did I get off the rocket?
Wait.
No.
I low-key hopped off my line.
Top ticking is too mainstream. Do you think we go into this slow summer trading this year? I don't think so. You think price will retrace into 1 hour bearish FVG? It could, guys. It could. At this point, guys, like, this trade for me is just completely free. I'm holding it, just looking for a move down. Do you full port on CPI candle? No. Trade the strategy you teach? No. We all trade. Nate trades SMC. I trade SMC and order flow. Wob trades order flow. Basically, I trade both of their strategies. They trade like half of my strategy. Why is Key shorting at a discount area? I don't know. Let me ask him. Let me call him. Yo.
Make us happy.
Yo, don't talk to me like that, bro, after you came in my room like that.
What?
I had someone like an hour ago tell me that you were trying to long, but now they're saying you're trying to short.
No, I took a short for demonstration purposes so I could teach them a lesson.
you take an L by shorting it in discount?
Literally took one mini short just so I could teach them something. I was teaching it when you called me.
Oh, nice. I was gonna say, look at 801.5 if you want to short.
I have the exact level. I don't like 801.5. Look at
I don't like it that much
Okay.
either, but I'm also
at-
look at this.
no 13.5 is better.
Yeah, but look at this. I haven't sold yet.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I would just re-add if anything. But
Yeah.
the 13.5 is better.
Yo, they said he was trying to schlong. That's short term long in slang. Where like me and my chat going over. That was a good one. Yo, he was trying to schlong. Yo, it's the funniest shit I've heard all day, bro. Short term long, guys. Schlong. Wait, I gotta tell my homies about this one. Yo, guys, new. Oh fuck, they all left. They all left the Discord call. Yo, Spiffy.
Yo.
New slang alert. He was trying to schlong. That. What do you think that stands for?
He was trying to short then long.
No, he was he was trying to schlong. It's called a short term long. So looking for a little bounce up for an eventual move down. So that's a pretty good one.
Schlong. Okay.
Schlong. So wait, let's make a channel. Call it slang. I like it.
Wait, I don't have any. Wait, I don't have perms anymore.
Yeah, I took them away after Matt just did that bullshit.
Can I have them back? I didn't invite him.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yeah, Matt stole Tig, and now he's in his server.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, bro. We're not inviting randoms to this Discord, bro. I don't give a fuck. I love Matt, but I'm not doing
Give
that
me
shit.
my fucking rolls back.
Give me a second, dude.
Give me my fucking rolls back.
Did he just say, yo, let's go talk in my Discord?
Yeah, because he banned his friend.
Dude, I don't give two fucks, bro. I don't care he has an SVJ and a Revuelto.
I care, bro.
I
He's
don't.
my daddy, bro.
Yeah, you guys are dick suckers. Alright, peace. I'm schlong into a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Nice. I'm dead. Baji broker get I use I use AMP live. Short would be there at 12, but from now until 12 we long back towards 42. I joined from recent TikTok. How do you bottom tick? So basically all you do is you just wanna and then that's it. Let me know if that helped. People with trailing stops from 6. Bro, you're doing too much of this, bro. I don't know what you're talking about right now. Looks like yo, bro, looks like you use trend lines. Very helpful, thank you. But guys, drop a 1 in the chat if that was useful, bro. I'll drop some more game for you guys. So basically, when you're trading, what you want to and that's it, right? So that's like very easy to understand. And then what you want to do from there is you just and that's that. Let me know if you guys want me to continue going. Did you say 13.5? No, 13.5 short. I'll be back at 12. Hope you're live. Let's see, bro. Hopefully. If this doesn't start moving down, I'm just going to go to sleep. Now we're going to read your lips. You guys are grown men looking at another man's lips, bro. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. You guys got to chill. Bro, I'm new to your community. Yeah, bro. I'm trying to tell you that all you have to do. Like, it's not that hard to understand, bro. Like, hiding the sauce. Someone clip this shit. Yo, Yo, guys, can you guys start clipping, bro? I need people to start clipping. I was gonna forget to mute one of these days, bro. I'm never gonna forget, bro. I'm never gonna forget. Are you planning on being a stockbroker when you grow up? Dude. Shenbob's such a gatekeeper. Yo, you wanna hop on Discord, Sponge? Yo.
Yo.
What's good?
He's something different on this. Not like a little sweetie pie on there. Don't worry, Shimbob, I won't say the word, bro.
No, I know you will. I'm talking about Ollie's dumbass.
I
Been
never
here
say the
just-
word, bro.
I know you don't. Yo, been in your Discord for a while. Amazing work. Appreciate it. David. Do you actually talk on mute or is it straight silence? Bro, I'm just going. Literally talking about like that. He's short about 3 inches. How much is Discord? We're doing a lifetime discount for $350 right now. I was supposed to delete it, but I forgot to delete it. So if you guys want to join that, you can join that.
I'm fading you right now, unfortunately, Shimbob.
I mean, dude, we could go up to 13 before we reject.
13, yeah.
I forgot you're an ES guy now. 350 rupees. USD, United States Dollars, motherfucker. I just dropped 100 shots. I'm trying to make the news. Green or red beam on the Glock, but I'll chase you too.
Are you still in the
Yeah,
house?
she gave that pussy up for free, but tell me why I got hit with an ad. I have ads turned off, bro. Do you guys get hit with ads? I have those turned off. I don't make anything off these streams.
No, I've not seen an ad on that.
Yeah.
The hell?
You guys get ads? What the fuck? I gotta figure this out. How do I turn off ads, guys? Edit video. I have a button where I can run ads. I literally have a
What, it
button.
just, like, puts it on at the very moment.
Yeah, like if I wanted to, I could click this button and run an ad. I call it my Jewish button.
Yes. Do they actually pay you well for it?
No.
No. Oh my god.
Like, do you guys want to see how much I made off YouTube this month streaming every day? I've currently made $239.91. Bullshit.
That's actually not that bad.
That's
That's
pretty
not that bad.
shit.
How long you been going? How long you been live though?
Bro, like 4 or 5 hours a
How
day.
many hours?
I have 11,000 watch hours just off lives.
Damn, what the hell?
Are you for real watching the stream to learn how to cut? Bro, if you guys stay in the streams and watch me trade, you guys are gonna slowly pick up on things like that, bro. Like my strategy is 6 years of learning and putting things together. There's not just one thing that you can just add that could change shit.
Yeah, Shinobi's unk, man.
Yeah, I'm unk in this space, bro. Hi, bro. I can't find Gonbox video on TikTok. It's the one that's called How to Bottom and Top Tick. CE is so good, exactly, bro. Like you slowly start to implement different things into your strategy and mold it to it. How did you get into trading? I didn't think I was gonna get into college, so I was asking all the other stupid kids that weren't going to college what they were gonna do with their lives, and one of them said he was gonna be a day trader, and showed me like some lifestyle videos, and then. Yeah, life was good. I saw like Umar Ashraf. I saw Ricky Gutierrez. Bro, why does my internet keep acting up?
I don't know. Where are you? In the middle of the field?
Dude, I'm literally in the middle of the woods.
Yeah, nice. You're gonna get like an axe guy run at you somewhere.
Yeah.
So like one of the horror movies.
Mhm.
It's gonna be key.
Yeah.
Where is Key? Why is he not socializing?
He's upstairs. On his stream. In Amish country? No, I'm in the Hamptons. Ah, that sounds so cool to say. Oh, where you at? Oh, I'm in the Hamptons with it. Yo, we were at the grocery store and we saw Kourtney Kardashian today. And Travis
Courtney
Bar-
Kardashian, is that the man one?
No, it's Kourtney, the one It's Kim, Courtney, and Chloe. Chloe's the blonde, Kim is Kim, and then it's the other one that's dating Travis Barker. The man one is
Oh,
Chris
there was
Jenner.
one that was.
No, that's
Chris.
Bruce Jenner who
Yeah.
turned into Caitlyn Jenner. The views are less
Yeah,
than
the girl.
usual.
Yeah.
It happens, bro. It happens. I don't. Views go up, views go down, bro. That's not what matters to me. I should be downtown whipping on my way to you. But dude, I was streaming to 30 viewers 2 weeks ago, bro. I'm happy with it, as many viewers as we get. Viewers are a vanity metric, guys.
Bro.
I should be downtown whipping on my way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all.
What do you think is gonna happen tomorrow? What do you think Price is gonna do? You see this? Look, he's gone to Hollywood. Thanos.
Thanos is in here?
Yo.
Expectations for PPI? Not much. You golf? Yeah. I got my
Hold
good hat on for the
Yo,
good
Sponge.
boys in the chat.
Yeah.
Join up.
Put text to speech on. I'm not doing that, bro. But actually, I might do that for a stream. That'd be fun. We're rejecting that 15-minute gap now.
Wait, I'll be back.
But we running Fort? I have my gaming laptop. I could, but to be honest, bro, I'm not in the mood. Like, I'm just tired, bro. I'm just tired. Like, guys, I have a really low social battery, and when there's, like, so many people around me, bro, I just get so tired. What laptop is it? It's a MSI. Let me see what it is. It's an...
I'm back.
It's a GE78HX13V. It's actually mad sick.
What? What are you talking about? A gun? What is that?
It's the laptop I'm using right now.
Oh, the tip tap.
Cause I should be downtown whipping on my way to you. You
Fancy
got
game.
something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all.
Yeah, Mohammed's on to you, bro. Yeah, maybe you should go to the doctor, bro.
Bro, you always say you're tired. Is it better to check in with a doctor? But it's not that I'm always tired. It's I'm fucking tired from... Bro, I stream from 9 to, like, noon. I sleep from, like, 12 to 4. And then I do whatever I need to do between 4 and 6. And then I'm back trading, bro.
Holy shit. It's a crazy schedule.
Yeah.
Okay, FRS Goons 4-4. You know what? I actually respect that. That's a hustle. That's a grind. That has to be tiring.
Oh, I'm telling you, I'm hungry.
Yo, I actually am hungry. I had fucking potatoes for dinner.
We got the same laptop. Do you have a 4070 graphics card? This has Intel i9. Let me check if it has. How do I check?
Holy shit, you actually are at 3k. Wild. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh, you're at 3K already? Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna send you some money, bro. You can flip it for me, yeah?
Shinobi, I hated on your UTN comment section, by the way. Yo, bro. Mad love, man. Mad love. Shout out you, bro. How do I check what graphics card this has?
Um, search system properties.
About your
in the search
PC.
bar.
This has... Doesn't show 64-bit, 32 gigs of RAM, i9.
Search device manager and it should come up there.
Device manager. Disk
Yeah.
drives. No.
We like display adapter.
Display adapter?
Yeah, display.
Oh, I have a
adapter.
4060, not a 4070.
Damn, what a schmuck.
I know, right? What a schmuck. Well, bro, you doing
I
300
genuinely-
cash challenge on? I'm doing it on AMP Live. Stop singing. My room is in the girl. My girl is in the room, bro. Fuck. No fucking way, dude.
Yeah, bro's actually tired for sure. What the hell? What the hell?
Where you at? I'm in the Hamptons right now on vacation with the homies. I should be downtown whipping on my way. Yeah.
I've noticed he's been attacking you like on stream quite a lot, bro. Like does he win the fights, bro? Be honest. Yep, that's a yes. He wins, bro. Chat, it's confirmed.
It's not the 4070 the NVIDIA graphics card. This indicator is the higher time frame power 3 by 2 degrees. Ain't nobody won against Shinobi? No one, bro. You have the Intel graphics card? It says NVIDIA GeForce RTX on the sticker right on my laptop, bro. Not much going on with this trade right now. I mean, yeah, bro, we're only up like 100 points. Sorry. Actually, no, we're only up like 70 points now, or 80.
Where are you holding to?
I'm gonna hold to that 4-hour BPR. Cause I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. Yo, how many of you guys used code OB on Apex? OBI. How many days has it been since you started the challenge? It's been a week. Exactly. Me today, yo. Shout out to you guys who use code OBI, bro. They let me give away accounts if we have people use the code, which is pretty sick.
Prabjot is on a streak, what the hell? Lever.
What streak?
He's used your code 11 times, bro. That's like
Oh, yo, bro.
code
Shout out
number,
you.
bro.
Hopefully it wasn't because you blew the accounts. Hopefully because you bought 11 accounts. Because I should be downtown whipping on my way. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. I just didn't sit right with me. I tried with you. More to left again. Sleeping in again. High with you. Had to
Man,
let
I'm
go
dying,
of
man.
us.
You have hay fever, Shinobi.
See what I- What's that?
Like, what do you call it? I think you guys call it allergy or something. You know, like pollen.
Oh, no, I don't.
Me, bro, I swear. I've asked everyone. No one has it apart from me.
What strategy you recommend beginners to learn on? I recommend all beginners try order flow. And it sounds bad, but it's like just skip through all the bullshit. Learn the hard strategies first, bro, that you're gonna have to learn in the future anyways if you want to do this shit long term.
I
Do the
agree.
accounts you give away have an activation fee? Yes. That's with every broker. It's not just Apex Data. There's never a such thing as just like completely free account. Let's be honest. All the people I gave an account to, they all blew it, except like one person who passed it.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
How do you know they blew it? They've told you, or like Apex told you?
Yeah, no, they told me. Now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose. Now you're throwing it back in my face on purpose.
This is choppy as hell, bro. The hell? Did you catch the news today or not?
No, it edged my fill. Didn't the
Yeah,
one
edged
dude pass and not be able to pay the fee? Yeah, bro. I was like, bro, what the fuck? How long can you keep it past the eval without paying the activation fee? Like 48 hours, I think. Activation fee is $85 on Apex if you use code OBI. You know, but your PC is roaring like my old PS4. I mean, I'm running charts on this screen. I'm streaming. I have YouTube pulled up. I have the chat pulled up. I have Discord pulled up. I have Telegram pulled up. Like, bro, I feel bad for it, to be honest.
Yeah, this is a slave to you right now. What the hell? That was a
Literally.
breach. What even happened with all that? I didn't even look into it. I ain't gonna lie. Well, my account was fine. They never told me to reset the password or nothing like that.
Yo, bro, this shit is blowing smoke.
Yeah, I bet it's well hot as well.
Yeah. Do you have portable monitors? No, this monitor was at the B&B. The laptop finna blow up? Fuck no. So which firms are breached? Top Step, My Funded Futures, Funded Next, and a few others. Not Apex, though. What's your max risk / max loss per day? I don't know. It really depends on how I'm feeling. I don't really have a max loss on the day. Why is there a fucking bug on my screen, bro? Where the fuck that shit? Hold on, bro. Where the fuck is that motherfucker?
What was it? Spider?
Fuck is it? Red and green beam on the Glock, but I'll chase you too. Bro has a portable commercial light projector. Like 1 to 2% loss, then you're done. Bro, not to sound pretentious, but I don't really end days on a loss that much anymore as I used to. I'll usually end up going green, but if I had to, I'd say like $500 or like 1,000 if I'm trading my main account.
Ugh.
Dude, did we just yawn at the same time, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Dude.
Be the Indian sink, bro.
Yeah, that was kind of weird. Yo, everyone in the stream, let's like up the stream. Let's get 100 likes in here, guys.
100 likes. This guy greedy as hell, bro.
Bro, it's...
There you go. I like just for you. I like just for you there.
Yo, you just said the N-word, bro. Guys, that was Kyle X Patel on Instagram. If you guys want to go cancel him,
You're
ruin...
a bastard.
If you guys want to go ruin his life, that was who it was. Ah, you're a bastard. Ah.
Wait, why did you tell them?
I wonder if anyone even goes and checks it out.
Probably not.
Now you're throwing it back in my face. Wasn't the account up to 3.5K last night? Yeah, it was. And then I had some, I had like 2 losses this morning. You still got the deal for 350? It's in my description here, but it's going to be gone tomorrow. Like after the stream, I'm taking it off. And people keep asking me to extend it. I don't want to extend it because I'm literally missing out on money if I don't charge a monthly. So basically for people who are new, instead of charging $100 a month, some people wanted me to do a lifetime deal. And then I was like, okay, I'm just going to drop a crazy lifetime deal, like one time, like $350 payment. And the way we came to that number is like people stay for an average of like 6 months. So that's 600. So then we're just going to take, or 7 months, and then we're going to take that divided by half. So that's 350. And instead of making it for the year, we're making it for literally lifetime. So 350, that's less than $1 a day for life. And it's not even like you pay $1, you pay up front, lifetime deal. No rebills, no upsells, none of that shit. And yeah, then it was like people could join, do the $300 account challenge, make money. So I mean, if you guys followed the account challenge $300 on this trade, you would have made the lifetime fee back. A lot of people DM me saying they did. So I took off the link on my Instagram, Telegram, and my Discord. The free Discord, I turned it all off, but people still wanted to join, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave it in the streams, because if you guys want to join off the stream, then sure, but if you guys want to, you guys can. Today will be the last day you're able to do so. Today will be the last day you'll be able to join the Discord using the 350 lifetime link. Are you an Apex affiliate? Am I an Apex affiliate? Yo, Sponge, look at my stream and then let me know if I look like an Apex affiliate.
I don't know, to be fair. See, Key looks like an Apex affiliate. You, I don't know, to be fair. I don't know if you got it like that. You're almost there.
Do you see my screen, bro?
Yeah, I see your screen.
Apex Trader Funding. Best discount on Apex available. Apex Trader Funding. Apex color theme.
Yeah, Obi-Wan Kenobi here.
I just killed that bitch ass fly. I finally got him. Fucking bitch ass motherfucker.
Damn. Yeah, bro's got the reflexes. I had a wasp trapped in my room today. I had to hunt him down before he called all his buddies on me.
Why don't you have a stop loss, Joel? It's break even. I don't think you do Fortnite trading. Why are you closing the Discord? I'm not closing it. I'm just closing off the sale. The 350. I'm buying my first combine on Apex with your code. It's 100K 47. Let's go, Steak. Code OBI. You really got diamond hands? Bro, I've been in this trade for 3 hours.
Wow. That is diamond hand.
I'm not gonna lie, I took the short and I hopped in the pool.
You can swim.
Yeah.
I don't know why, I just thought you could not swim.
No, bro, I'm actually a really good swimmer. I used to take swimming classes when I was a kid.
You actually are mad.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm one of them where I'm just like, don't move when I swim.
You're one of them ones. What made you
I'm one
take
of
that
them
short?
ones, yeah.
5 minute or unicorn setup. 5 minute breaker plus fair value gap. Michael Shinobi Phelps. No, not even close, bro. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end stream here soon. But for those who wanted to join the Discord, trade with me live every single day. Who wanted to trade New York session with me, trade the new $300 account challenge. We took this one from 300 to 3.1K. Mainly trading New York session. We tried getting some Asia plays, but we're going to retry on Monday. But if you guys want to, you can join there. And then, yeah. We're going to end the live here. I'm going to hop off. I'm going to call it a night. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for coming out. I'll see you guys again at 9 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Good stream today. I mean, it was literally just us waiting. I don't think I'm going to find another trade for you guys specifically, so I don't want to waste anyone's time. But glad we got to chat. I'm glad we got to fuck around. But I'm looking for a move down to this 4-hour BPR, and that's at 660. That's where I'll be closing the short. And yeah, love you guys.